Hi everyone, it's Janis here with a new episode to help you build better daily structure and be in control of your life. We all need to be in control of our lives, and this is especially true when it comes to our finances. Struggling with money is tough because it constantly adds pressure and creates stress in our lives, but it doesn't have to be like that. Today, we'll take a look at the 3 components that you need to master if you want to learn how to save money. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Also, check out my free productivity resources that has helped thousands of people to set better goals, make better decisions, and build solid structure in their life. Saving money is not about how much you can save, but it's about building a habit and discipline to put some of it on the side. This will help you if something unexpected happens, like your car breaks down or you get sick and you need to cover some expenses. Or it will be helpful if you want to start your own business and you'll have a starting capital to get the ball rolling. It is a skill that once you learn it, it will serve you for the rest of your life. So let's take a look at 3 most important components that you need to know if you want to learn how to save money. Number 1, manage your money. Same like you need a plan for your day to know what meetings you have to attend and what tasks you'll have to complete. You also need a plan for your money. This money plan is called budget that will help you to stay on top of your finances so you can track where and when your money is coming in and going out. So let me run you through some easy steps so that you can start managing your finances like a pro. First, you need budget. I know what you're thinking. Oh my god, now I'm gonna have to create a spreadsheet and spend hours of my time. Relax, you don't have to do any of that. Because I have already done it for you. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to the spreadsheet that I use by myself. All you have to update is the information like what expenses and income you have at the moment, and you can probably do that fairly quickly. Second, you need to keep your budget up to date. Once you have your budget, the next step is to keep updating your budget consistently. You can do it weekly, every other week, or once a month. If you're just starting out, then it's the best to do it more often. This will help you to quickly notice if you're overspending and get back on track, so weekly schedule would suit the best. Third, you need to stick with your budget. This might seem like a common sense, but it's extremely important. If you planned to spend $75 on meals out this month, then that is what you got to stick with. If you don't stick with your planned spendings, then you can say goodbye to the money that you wanted to save. Number 2, reduce your expenses. Initially, your saving will start with reducing your existing expenses. Here are 3 strategies that you can use instantly. First, audit your bills. The process is usually the same. We get a great deal on our internet connection for the first few months. Then it goes to normal rate, and few years later we are massively overpaying. That's why it is important to audit our bills yearly. It's likely that you'll be able to get much better deal and therefore save some money. Saving $20 per month might not seem like a big deal, but at the end of the year it's $240. Second, review your subscriptions. The similar approach needs to be used for your subscription services if you want to stay on top of the things. So many times I subscribe to the service or tool to get one-off job done and then forget to cancel it. These services are often cheap, at around $10, but the same like bills, they're adding up. Imagine that you have 5 subscriptions that you don't use. Each of them costs $10. That is $50 per month, and by the end of the year, you'll be saving yourself $600. Third, spend the minimum. This is one of the biggest challenges that people face, and it's holding them back from saving. If, however, you can master this strategy, then you'll be saving a lot. Do you really need a smartphone that costs $1,000? The truth is that you can probably achieve everything you need with a phone that costs $250. If you're okay with not having the coolest phone in the room, then you can easily save yourself $750 on the spot. If you live in a place that costs $1,500 a month and you can downgrade to the place that costs $1,000 a month, then you can save yourself $6,000 a year. You can apply the same principle of downgrading to your car that gets you from point A to point B and all other gadgets in your life. Number 3, increase your income. You can only save what you can save from your existing situation. To further increase your savings, you have to think about expansion. And that means increasing the amount of money that you're currently making in order to be able to save more. Here are 3 strategies to get you started. First, work overtime. This is a simple but also an effective strategy that many people don't utilize. If your current job is offering an option to work some overtime hours, then go for it. Overtime is usually paid at a higher rate as well, so spending 5 to 10 extra hours at work every week will considerably increase your income. Second, get a side hustle. Not everyone has a chance to work overtime, but that doesn't mean that it is not possible to earn extra money. You can do that by getting an additional part-time job or freelancing on one of the many freelancing platforms out there. Third, educate yourself. To make more money at your job, you have to become more valuable asset to the company, and you can do that by educating yourself. You can expand your knowledge through training in your company or educating yourself with online courses. This is where you have to invest your money so that you don't have to save from $2,700 per month, but instead you can save from $5,000 that you're making each month. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and by understanding these 3 components, you'll be able to start saving money easily. Don't forget to get a copy of your budget. The link is in the description of this video, so you can start managing your finances from today. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.